Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I just thought I'd show you what I'm going to send Katie in her care package today. So she has an iPhone 5, and I thought that I would send her this. I thought it was really cute. She loves elephants, and I just thought that was adorable, and she needed a new case that was like rubberized. So hopefully that'll work for her. And then you may have seen this in another haul that I did before Christmas. I was going to put this in her stocking and I honestly just forgot. And this is sticky prayers. It says stick a prayer anywhere. And I thought this would be really nice for her. It says praying for, and then you can write whatever it is that you're praying for and just put it somewhere for someone. And it says believe firmly in God, your God, and you'll come out on top. And I just thought this was really cute. There's 50 of each design, and I just know she will appreciate it. So there's that. And then I'm sending her a card that I made, and I'm sending her this that I got from Hobby Lobby, which I did in a haul just last night. I don't know when it was posted, but this is a Valentine banner, and I think it's just made out of aluminum, but the O is red and the other ones are all just kind of distressed silver, and they're really pretty. So I have a box that I'm hoping they will fit in. I also have some medicine that I need to send to her, so that's what that is. But this is the box that I thought I would use if I can fit it, and it has all of these little thingies in here. Oh no, it's not going to be big enough maybe. Let me see. Oh, there, I can make it fit like that maybe. Put these down there, and this over here. There we go. I can make it fit. So that is what my little chick is going to be getting along with her medication. I'll stick that in there so it's ready to go. And this will be off in the mailbox. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you guys have a great day. And yeah, I will talk with you guys soon. And this is the first care package I'm sending in the new year. Woohoo! Bye-bye.